The official name of Bolivia is the plurinational state of Bolivia, reflecting its diverse indigenous population. Bolivia was one of the founding members of the United Nations and is active in international organizations. Bolivia is named after Simón Bolívar, a key figure in the Latin American independence movement. The country has two capitals, La Paz, administrative, and Sucre, constitutional. Bolivia features the Sala de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, covering over 4,000 square miles, 10,582 square kilometers. The country includes a significant portion of the Amazon rainforest, contributing to its biodiversity. Bolivia is one of the most ethnically diverse countries in the world, with around 36 recognized ethnic groups. It has a unique constitution that recognizes the rights of nature, giving the environment legal standing. Bolivia is known for producing high-quality quinoa, with its export booming in recent years. Lake Titicaca, located on the border of Bolivia and Peru, is considered the highest navigable lake in the world. The country's official languages include Spanish, Quechua, Aymara, and several other indigenous languages. Bolivia once hosted the ancient Tiwanaku civilization, known for its advanced architectural and agricultural techniques. The country's capital, La Paz, features El Alto, one of the highest urban cities in the world. Bolivia has no access to the sea, making it a landlocked country since losing the Pacific War to Chile in the late 19th century. The Bolivian Andes are home to numerous snow-capped peaks, with the highest being Sajama, at 21,463 feet, 6,542 meters. The country's mix of indigenous cultures and Spanish colonial influences is evident in its festivals, art, and architecture. Potosí, a city in Bolivia, was once one of the richest cities in the world due to its vast silver mines. Bolivia has one of the lowest population densities in South America, with vast areas of uninhabited land. The traditional clothing of Bolivian women includes colorful skirts called polleras and distinctive hats. Bolivia is famous for its traditional markets, such as the Witches' Market in La Paz, selling various herbs and potions. The country has a strong coca culture, where the coca leaf is used both ceremonially and as a part of daily life. Bolivia is known for its rich folklore, featuring stories of El Tío, a devil figure believed to inhabit mines. The country has several national parks, such as Madidi National Park, renowned for its biodiversity. Bolivia hosts the Festival of the Virgin of Sacabán, a major event showcasing traditional dance and music. The Bolivian flag has 3 horizontal stripes: red, for the blood shed for independence, yellow, for the country's mineral resources, and green, for its natural resources. Bolivian cuisine includes traditional dishes like saltinas, savory pastries, and anticuchos, grilled meat skewers. The country has a vibrant music scene, featuring traditional instruments like the charango and pan flute. Bolivia's population is predominantly mestizo, a mix of indigenous and European ancestry. The city of Tarija is famous for its wine production, particularly its distinctive Bolivian wines. Bolivia has the largest reserve of natural gas in South America, primarily located in the Andean region. The country's wildlife includes unique species, such as the Andean condor and the pink river dolphin. Bolivia has a rich tradition of textile art, with vibrant colors and intricate patterns in its weavings. The Sala de Uyuni becomes a spectacular mirror-like surface during the rainy season, attracting photographers worldwide. The city of Sucre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved colonial architecture. The Bolivian highlands are home to numerous ancient stone structures, some over 1,000 years old. The country has more than 40 national parks and protected areas, promoting conservation and ecotourism. Bolivia is known for its unique annual celebration of Dia de los Muertos, honoring deceased loved ones. The country produces a variety of potatoes, with over 1,000 different native species cultivated. The emblematic Bolivian llama is an important pack animal and contributes to the local economy. The town of Copacabana, overlooking Lake Titicaca, is a significant pilgrimage site. Bolivia's economy is driven by agriculture, manufacturing, and natural resource exploitation. The Bolivian Altiplano is a high plateau that features breathtaking landscapes and ancient cultures. Bolivia's rainforests are home to numerous indigenous tribes that still practice traditional ways of life. The country's mining industry is a crucial sector, with lithium being a key resource due to its use in batteries. The Death Road, known as Yungas Road, is famed for being one of the most dangerous roads for cyclists. Bolivia is rich in pre-Columbian history, with ancient ruins scattered throughout the landscape. The country's secular festivals often mix indigenous traditions with Catholic practices. Bolivia is one of the few countries to have never had a civil war since its independence in 1825. The Bolivian Day of the Dead features colorful altars and offerings to honor the deceased. Bolivia's diverse geography includes mountains, valleys, and tropical forests, each with distinct ecosystems. The country has a strong tradition of storytelling and oral history, preserving cultural narratives through generations. Bolivian street vendors sell a wide variety of goods, from food to crafts, in vibrant markets. Bolivia has a proud history of resistance movements, particularly among indigenous groups seeking rights and recognition. The Cala de Wrestling is a popular spectacle where indigenous women wrestle in traditional attire, blending sport and performance art. In the city of La Paz, street art and murals depict social issues and cultural heritage. The country's economy relies heavily on remittances from Bolivians living abroad.